નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th subject English grammar lesson number 11 adjectives ing ed form. As you know students, in our previous lesson number 10, we discussed about adjective descriptive. Here in that lesson we have to discuss about ing and ed form of adjective. Before starting our ing and ed forms, just we have to revise what is an adjective. We have to understand about it. Adjective means what? Adjective किसको बोलते हैं? So here simple definition of adjective is given. We have to revise it. Then after we have to understand about ing and ed form. Okay? Here adjectives are words used to describe nouns or pronouns. Adjectives are words used to describe nouns and pronouns. Adjective is used to modify nouns and pronouns. If we want to modify the noun, we have to use adjective. Otherwise, we have to modify the pronoun. We have to use adjectives. Okay? Here, example is given here. Fat boy. Short story. Fat boy. Here, boy. Boy is a noun. What is this? Here, boy is a noun. If we want to describe boy, we have to give more information about boy. Then we have to use adjective. So here I put adjective fat before noun boy. Before noun boy. Boy, but which type of boy? Fat boy. So here fat become adjective would describe the noun boy. Can you understand, student? It is one type of revision. We also studied about it in our 10th lesson. Second example is given here, short story. I want to describe the story word. Story. Okay? Story is a noun. If you want to give more details about story, which type of story? So I add here, story is a noun here. I add before story one word, it is known as a short. It's known as an adjective. Short story. Story, but which type of story? Short story. Short story. Can you understand? So I describe the story with the word short. So it's become an adjective. It's become an adjective to describe the story. Story, but which type of story? How story depict? So it's a short story. Short story, but which type of story? Short story. Here short word is used to describe the story. So we can say that short is adjective here. In that fat boy, fat is also an adjective here. Idea clear, student, about adjectives? Now we have to go one step ahead in adjective. ing and ed form adjective we have to study in this lesson. Okay? ing and ed form of adjective. Adjective always not in a simple form. Sometimes adjectives come with ing form and sometimes adjectives come with ed form. So both form we have to understand here in this lesson. Okay? So let's start it. Now our real lesson started. Just keep attention here. I write here one as written in your textbook. See here. Words describing nouns can also be written ending with ing or ed. One line is given, we have to understand about it. Words describing nouns can also be written ending with ing or ed. Words describing nouns means our adjectives. Adjectives can also be written ending with ing and ed. We can write adjectives with ing form and ed form. Both way we can add adjectives to describe nouns or pronouns. So it is a one type of form of adjectives. Simple adjectives is given here. See, sword is simple, fat is simple, but we can add ing and ed form of adjectives. That type of adjectives we have to study here. Next thing we have to understand, these words are also called adjectives if we put ing and ed form after adjectives. That type of adjectives, also known as adjectives, that type of form of word is known as adjectives. Can you understand? Adjectives will be ing form and ed form also. Adjective दो तरह के भी हो सकते हैं, जिसके पीछे ing भी लगा होता है और ed भी लगा होता है. Both types of adjective possible. Both types of form of adjectives possible in English grammar. Now next thing, although both these types of adjectives are formed out of words, there is a slight differences of meaning. Both types of these adjectives, means ing form and ed form of adjectives, we can form using words. Here we require words to form ing and ed form of adjectives. Keep in mind one thing, if you want to form ing and ed form of adjectives, you require verb. वर्ब के पीछे ही हम ing और ed फॉर्म लगा सकते हैं. मीन्स यहाँ पे जो हम ing और ed फॉर्म वाले एडजेक्टिव फॉर्म करेंगे, वहां पे हमें वर्ब की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ेगी. वर्ब देन ing, इट डिस्क्राइब द नाउन. वर्ब देन ed, इट डिस्क्राइब नाउन. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमें एडजेक्टिव बनाना है, एडजेक्टिव क्रिएट करना है. फॉर नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन मॉडिफिकेशन वी हैव टू एड ing एंड ed फॉर्म ओनली विथ वर्ब्स. यहाँ पे हमें वर्ब्स की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ेगी. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई से? मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो आपको समझ में आता है ना? यस, वेरी गुड. सो ing and ed form of adjectives we require verb. Last line suggests that although both these types of adjectives are formed out of verbs, here verbs word is given. Keep in mind. So both form of adjectives we require verb. Keep in mind. दोनों तरह के एडजेक्टिव बनाने के लिए हमें वर्ब की जरूरत पड़ेगी. Understand? Now there is a slight differences of meaning. If we form ing form of adjective and if we form ed form of adjectives, both meaning have a same not same meaning but a slight different meaning in that. If you use ing form before any noun and pronoun, meaning is slightly different than we use ed form of adjectives to describe nouns and pronouns. समझ में आता है? In simple language we can say that if we use ing form, हम जो ing वाला फॉर्म एडजेक्टिव का यूज करते हैं, वो ed वाले फॉर्म से उसका मतलब थोड़ा डिफरेंट होता है. मीनिंग विल बी डिफरेंट. Little bit understand or not? Keep in mind all the things. It's a little points. Not a whole unit about adjectives, but it is little points related to adjectives. We have to understand about it, and after that, based on that, we have to do exercise. Okay? Now, both meaning is different. We discussed earlier here. Both meaning will be different if we use ing form of adjective and if we use ed of adjectives, both meaning is little different. Which type of different we have to see here? See, here two lines is written in your textbook also. Okay, I write on board. See, the ing form is mostly used to describe things. The ing form of adjective is mainly used to describe things. Where it is used to describe things. It is used to describe things. We have to describe any things. For example, table. But we have to describe the table. Which type of table is wooden table? Okay? Wooden table. So, if we want to give description of any things, कोई भी वस्तु का आप डिस्क्राइब करना चाहते हैं, कोई भी वस्तु आप डिस्क्राइब करना चाहते हैं, तब आपको ing फॉर्म यूज करना है. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? जब आप कोई चीज डिस्क्राइब करना चाहते हैं, टेबल, वुडन टेबल, ओके, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? So that type of description we can use with ing form. तब हमें ing form adjective का use करना है. Second thing is given here. The ed form is used to describe emotions and feelings. On the contrary, on the opposite side of ing form, when we can use ed form. Ed form is used to describe emotions and feelings of. Emotions and feelings of our, we can describe by ed form of adjectives. Can you understand? Keep in mind one thing, ing is used to describe things and ed form is used to show our emotions and feelings. Both little difference you have to keep in mind. Describe emotions and feelings. ed form is used to describe emotions and feelings. On other side, ing form is used to describe things. Both points you have to keep in mind. Based on that, okay, we have to do exercise. Just you have to keep both things. ing form is used to describe things and ed form of adjective is used to emotions, describe emotions and feelings. Understand, student, till here? Now, based on that, I write two examples here. By these examples, we have to understand both things, ing and ed form. See here, first example is written. This book is interesting. This book is interesting. Which is noun here? Can you find out? Yes, in that sentence, book is noun here. Book is noun here. Which word is used to describing the book? Which word is used to describing book here? Can you find out? Yes, interesting. Here, interesting word is used to describe book. But good book. But which type of book is that? Interesting book. Interesting book. So here we describe thing. कोई वस्तु को हम डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, बुक को हम डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? हम बुक को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. तो किसी भी चीज को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए आपको कौन सा फॉर्म यूज करना है? ing फॉर्म. सो हियर इंटरेस्टिंग इज यूज्ड बिकॉज वी डिस्क्राइब द बुक्स. बुक्स इज अ वन टाइप ऑफ थिंग. सो टू डिस्क्राइब वन टाइप ऑफ थिंग we have to use ing form. So here in that sentence, ing form is used to describe a book. Now second sentence we have to understand. See, I am interested in reading this book. I am interested in reading this book. मुझे वो बुक रीड करने में मजा आता है. Here interested is used as an adjective. Interested is used as an adjective here, but it describes our emotions and feelings. I am interested. I am interested. So here it shows the emotions and feelings of ours. Okay? यहाँ पे इंटरेस्टेड वर्ड है, एडजेक्टिव है, वो अपनी इमोशंस एंड फीलिंग्स डिस्क्राइब करती है. इट डिस्क्राइब द इमोशंस एंड फीलिंग्स. मुझे ये बुक पढ़ने में मजा आता है. सो हियर इट शो द इमोशंस एंड फीलिंग्स ऑफ अवर्स. सो it is known as a ed form. Second type of see here. The ed form is used to describe emotions and feelings. So यहाँ पे हम अपनी feelings दिखा रहे हैं. So we have to use ed form of adjectives. Now students, can you understand both form of adjectives? ing form is used to describe things and ed form is used to describe our emotions and feelings. 2 points you have to keep in mind while you are doing exercise related to adjectives. So, students, here related to adjectives ing ed form, our teaching point over. Everybody understand? I hope that everybody understand about where we have to use ing form of adjective and where we have to use ed form of adjectives. Okay, so keep in mind 2 points. Based on that, we have to do exercise in our next video.
Thank you for joining us